Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today we are going to make this beautiful bottle decor. For the materials details, please check the description box below. At first, take some talcum powder, then add some Fevicol and black acrylic color. Now mix them properly. Make sure that there should not be any lumps. Now by using a sponge, cover the whole bottle with this talcum powder paste. After completely drying up, sketching a rough layout of the design. Now take some clay and start making the body parts of the Lady Justice. Here I am using Mouldit Clay, but if you don't have Mouldit Clay available, then you can also use homemade clay. Just take some clay, give it a required shape and size and stick it on the bottle with the help of glue. Removing some extra part from her neck. You can create some small detailings by using clay modeling tools. Now I'm going to make her clothes by using a Chakla Belan. Take a dough of clay and flatten it in this way. After completing this, stick it on her body. Now remove the extra part in this way by using clay modeling tool. Using a little bit water to make it smooth. Now in this way by using clay modeling tools, create some folds on her clothes. Now in this way you can add some more designs to decorate the bottle. After completing the clay work, let it dry. So guys, our Lady Justice clay bottle decor has completed and this is how it looks. In the next video, I'm going to color this bottle art. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.